You're doing the work, you're hitting your VO2 max, you're hitting your aerobic zone 2 work, but it's just not transferring over. The issue is most people hit two ends of the spectrum. They do their endurance work and they lose strength, or they're doing all their strength work and there's never any conditioning. We're gonna mend both together in this video. You don't need more time, you just need more structure, and that's where these EMOMs, every minute on the minute, is gonna fix it, especially if you're a busy professional or a parent. 3 movements, 6 reps of each, for 8 rounds, 8 minutes total. Not for max effort, for repeatable effort. We don't want the weight to be so light that you can do it forever, endurance. We don't want the weight too heavy where you can only do it for one set. We want that middle ground, that medium load, and again, that's where most people aren't setting themselves up for success. Now layer in the cardio. 40 seconds on, 20 seconds of rest. You pick the modality. This keeps your output consistent instead of just burning out. Strength builds the repeatable output. Intervals build that sustained effort. And together, that's the piece that carries over. And for longevity, this does matter. Getting good at one thing or specializing doesn't mean it's going to carry over into real life, into everything that you're doing. Do this, adjust the load for the intensity, and then keep the structure. And if you've only got 30 minutes, this covers everything. A little strength, a little conditioning, you're set. If your endurance isn't improving or your strength feels like you're always huffing and puffing, this is probably the gap. Spend more time in the middle, keep training yourself up, mix up the movements, but set yourself on that EMOM. Try it and let me know in the comments what movements you try next. Never settle with yesterday.